The night had my day. The sun dried up all the rain. Then you came my way. Good morning, afternoon. Morning, afternoon. The night had my day. Had my day. The sun dried up all the rain. My way. Then you came my way.
There's something truly inspiring about this city that makes you feel like there's a great photo waiting to be taken around every corner you walk past. Undoubtedly, New York has always been a city I've dreamed of living in, and maybe that time has finally come. Today's just any other day though, as I'm visiting New York again, this time for a longer duration so I can really take my time here. I meant to pack my GoPro mount with me on this trip, but I ended up forgetting it, so I've been stuck to filming POV videos with my GoPro in my left hand and my camera in my right. I wasn't enjoying that experience, so I figured, why not treat my video camera as my GoPro? Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Whenever I'm out shooting, I like to stay prepared for any moment someone might approach me about what I'm doing. That's where I've set up a shortcut key on my iPhone that takes me directly to my Squarespace site with a bunch of my favorite street photos, as well as a QR code for anyone to scan and bring up my site on their own phone. This has been a practical and more personal way of me showing my work to people on the street rather than just bringing up my Instagram page. It's really easy for anyone to build a site on Squarespace because of their templates and user-friendly design. If you're interested in building your own site, you can use the trial link squarespace.com/Faisal, and if you want to take the next step, you can use the code Faisal at checkout to get 10% off. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video.